June has only just begun, and we've had like 4 deliveries this week already. So I'm really excited today for another unknown unboxing. It's my birthday weekend as well, so happy birthday to me. Just mad excitement for whatever we've got in store today. So without further ado, let's get some unknown unboxing. As some of you will have known, I was kicking off in one of the other videos about the shoddy DPD delivery. At least today's the box is intact, or as intact as much as it can be, right? Anyway, I've always got to moan about something, right? 700. Wait. Okay, hang on. Okay, so the 700 MNVN. That's going to be a tongue twister for today. So it's 700 MNVNs. Here we go. And it's the bright Cyan. Yeah, bright Cyan. Okay. So bright Cyan blue, right? Okay, so, right, I have to show you this because this is just bad. So look at it. So open up the box. And it's like all crunched up and like squashed. What is that? Then, is that because it's the material? So, straight away, I'm just pissed off, man. Like, I'm fucking pissed off. I mean, what is that? What? Like, you know, if I bought these person and they were like, oh yeah, here's your trainers and this is how they're being packaged and being squashed in, I would just flip my lid. I would literally just flip my lid because that's just bad. And now, okay, maybe, you know, all trainers are squashed in, but because of the leather material, it gives it its shape and it holds its form. But what's also missing, you know, you get the little comfy things that they always put. Oh, it's actually really comfortable. Anyway, let me moan first. You know, you get the, you know, when they smash it, you know, when they put the paper in there to help it hold up. It's like they forgot about these, which then makes me think, okay, how much detail do they pay to these trailers? Was it just one of them? Are they turning into just mass crazy production? Get them out, get them out. Obviously, Kanye did say everybody, if they want, will own a pair of Yeezys. That was his vision, right? And to enable that, to get to that goal, does it mean that some of those shoes will be crunched up and just put in a box, like, you know, like there's some £10 shoes from somewhere, you know? Because what these what are these? They're like 180, like £200 or whatever they are. So, you know, they're not on the cheap side for trainers, right? You know, they're not on the cheap side for trainers. And you don't expect this. This is just bad. It's just killed it for me. I've I've lost zero motivation. I don't know. Anyway, let me try and be positive. I've been going on for enough time now. So, at the box, what takes you by surprise, excluding the fact that they're squished, is the blue. The blue's all over. It's funny because whenever you see these on, like, you know, on the sites or whatever, on websites, you know, I always thought that the blue would just be across the 700, you know, and then the rest would be kind of black, giving it a bit of different, you know, a different feel and a colorway. This is a real, I know, it's like a Gore-Tex material, you know, so it's like waterproof, rainproof, Gore-Texy material, it feels like. It just feels really solid. Actually, I reckon these are like, you know, some, you know, cross amphibious trainers or something, because there's no weight into the sole from the sides there, so the tongue is completely sealed off with the Gore-Tex going over it. I wonder if that was what his thinking was when they were designing these. Yeah, it's got some rubber on the front here, which is like a different shade of blue, as you can see. And then we've got these like a mini go faster stripes on the side there, which again, you know, the 7, you could say that's a 7 and another 7. That's really cool. Obviously simple standard 700 undersole, and again 700s on the side there. So the sole is no different. It's just with the MVNMs, what they do with this material, I guess, Yeah, it has to be some like robust, like Gore-Tex material. That's what it really, really feels like. But what they have done with these is that the tongue, literally the tongue is like pure cushion. Literally pure cushion. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like pure cushion. Pure absolute cushion. And it feels really great. It feels really nice. It feels soft. But I just can't get over the fact that the way these are so damn squashed. It's just really pees me off. Like, why they do that? Why they do that to these? Other than that, if I take a step back and I look at these, would I cop these? No, I don't think I would. Honestly, guys, I think just seeing the packaging, just seeing the way it's all put together, it just totally killed it for me. Because I was a bit hyped in these, and I was hoping in the background that we'll be able to get a pair of these, you know, and the guys have delivered them. We got it here, so that's good. But now I see it, I'm not in love with it. I'm not hyped in it. I don't think they're sick. I think they're actually, you know, they're just, yeah, I just don't like them. Straight up, don't like them. What did you think of the on-foot? Because I'm still standing by the fact that I don't like the trainers, right? I don't know what it is about it. I think maybe it's not just the way that we're packaged. I just feel on feet, they were not tight at the toes end. So I think like the length and the size, you know, getting size up is good again with Yeezys, as you know. But I think the problem is the infinity laces. Now, you know, I don't like to tie my laces on the Yeezys where you can get away with it, right? Especially the 350s. But with the infinity laces, it takes away your ability to loosen up the trainers, like full stop. And the knees, they don't even give you like a replacement, like a spare, like with the standard laces. So it's just with the infinities. So if you've got big feet like me, big wide feet, with like a real big arch, these will feel quite cramped. And although the material is supposed to be flexible, what happens is if it is the Gore-Tex material, like I think it is, it will get real hot, real quick, real soon, man. So you'll be wearing it and your feet be sweating. These are not shoes for the summer. I don't even care what the lights are telling, what the colours are telling you on them, what the colourways are. This Cyan, Cyan blues or blue Cyan or whatever, bright Cyan. These are not for the summer, in the sense that they're gonna be mad hot, I'm telling you. I still stand by the fact I wouldn't cop these. Yeah, I just think with all the other colorways that they're doing, you know, we've got some Inflamed Suns coming out on the 700s, which I'm hoping to cop personally. You've got to look out for that. It's on June the 11th release. With those coming out, they're the sort of colorways I'm after. I think these are, I don't know what they were thinking about the MVNMs. And, you know, if you know, guys, if you've got some insights, drop the notes down the bottom there. I mean, we're going to do some research, put some more comments down the bottom of the video. But for me, now, it's not a cop. That's me, Jordan from Star vs. Trend. Thank you for tuning in. See you soon.